Dear students, this video contains the slides about CNC, its important components or elements, or you can also call it as a configuration, and then the brief explanation about the components with the block diagram, and then applications of CNC system, then advantages and disadvantages of CNC machines. So in the first slide, as you are observing, it's overwritten. Note it carefully. So this block, the first block, memory, okay, that is RAM and ROM. ROM is the operating system and RAM is the part program. So memory, this one, first one, and the center one, central processing unit, CPU. And then third one, I/O, input output interface. Input output interface. Operator panel. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಟೇಪ್ ರೀಡರು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮೂರನೇದು, ಒಂದನೇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೆಮರಿಲಿ ಎರಡು, ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ರ್ಯಾಮ್. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಎರಡನೇದು, ಕಡೆ ಮೂರನೇದು I/O ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಾರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬಸ್ ಬಾರ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು ಮಷೀನ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಂಡಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಸ್ಪಿಂಡಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ controls, that is coolant and fixture clamping, tool changes. Once again I'll tell you this one, the last one, sequence controls. In that, coolant, then fixture clamping, tool changes. This is a block diagram showing the important components. So here briefly it has been given. So the CPU, what we call the central part of the CNC machine, so development of the NC unit, you can call it as, is a brain of MCU, machine control unit. It contains the control section, arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and immediate access memory, the main part of the CNC. Okay, second one, the memory. As I told you, memory, ROM and RAM. So the read only memory, ROM means read only memory, so that which is nothing but a operating system, and whereas RAM is part program. So both these are together are called as primary memory or main memory. So the machine interface program are stored in this memory, and the part programs, as I said, in the RAM. So the RAM can be changed, in the sense the programs whatever written can be changed. Secondary memory is a high capacity and it can store large programs and data files. They are hard disk and other portable devices, as you can see in the desktop PCs and all. Okay. And the third one, I/O, that is input output interface, as you can see in the block diagram. This one. So It is a communication between various components and system with machine operator. It uses control panel to edit or modify the programs and speeds, feeds, pump on and off, and similar functions. It also consists CRT and LED display for communication of data information from MCU to machine operator. Program can also be entered manually by the machine operator or stored at a central computer site and transmitted via local area network to the CNC system. So the next the slide showing you the just you can read out it and note down applications of CNC system as say flame and plasma cutting, laser cutting, punching, forming, welding, lathe operations, grinding operations, electro discharge machining, woodworking industries, milling operations, routing operations, etc. This itself may carry some 3 or 4 marks in the examination, and above the block diagram is also individually one question, say of 5 marks. With the block diagram, just briefly 1 or 2 sentences you can write it. So the from examination point of view, these are the answers as good as answers for the main questions only. This also the last slide what you are looking, advantages and disadvantages of CNC machines. One for each one the marks may be there. At least 5 you have to write one advantage and disadvantage. So here almost a little bit similar to NC advantages and disadvantages. Little additional few some points are there. What you can see observe here in the advantage column. Say productivity can be increased, flexibility, higher flexibility, reduced scrap rate, consistent quality, then reduced non-productive time and lead time, higher accuracy and surface finishing, just-in-time manufacturing, then automatic material handling, ABS you can call, increased operation safety, machining of advanced materials, and less floor space. So this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some 11 points under advantages, and whereas in the disadvantages, you can see side here. See the machines are expensive. Then as a second point only you can take it needs training and skills for the operation of the CNC machine, and more investment may lead to unemployment is one problem. So that one can only work on the CNC machine if he knows the regarding part program or other say the details of the control system. Only one can handle the total the CNC machine. Then in the disadvantage, careful maintenance is required. Then cost of tools are high. Then if component is changed, the programming and tool setting also takes little time, because for that part in the slight changes of course can be made, but even then in the program you can change it, but according to the tool also they have to be set. So in that sense it takes some time. So that is about the these slides. So take care, stay safe, stay home.